This conversation with Mrs. Koch is designed to help you get started with your Pinterest account. This video will model exactly what you need to do to establish your account, and then little by little and lesson by lesson, we will do what we need to do to explore additional features within Pinterest. For right now, would you please just go to Google, the main web browser. Now, in the search bar, type in Pinterest. It's P-E-N-T-R-E-S-T. And notice interest is the main part of the word, and then pin is the first three letters. We're going to find interest in our pins very soon. The first hit is, of course, the Pinterest.com, and that's exactly where we want to go. When you look at this screen, you are going to see a very inviting feature, lots of images kind of fluttering around here, and we are going to go right up to the red login and to the white and black sign up. Since you do not have an account affiliated with school yet, if you have another one, that's fine. That'll just be for your personal use. But we are going to use our school emails to establish Pinterest account for academic use. Please click sign up. And now we come to a screen that allows us to create our account or to log in with Google or log in with Facebook. As you probably know, I have Facebook or I have a Google account already established. So what I am going to do is I'm going to create it as a student also, so I can model for you exactly what to do. All right, so for our purposes today, we're going to continue with Google. And I am going to choose my L. Daly Koch at bell-plain.k12.ia.us. And it's asking me how old I am. I will be honest, and I am going to put in that I am, oh goodness, let me think of how I am. I am 47 years old. I hit continue. And now I will get a welcome to Pinterest sign. Your answers to the next few questions will help us find the right ideas for you. With this video being broadcast, I'm hoping you can go step by step with me to create your account. Either we're doing this together right now, or I will release it to your Google Classroom for your graduating class. So now I need to answer some questions that will help Pinterest help me find things that are going to be applicable to my interest areas. Please click next. And how do you identify? I am going to mark that I am female. My language is English. I am in the United States. And two categories I want to explore. And for our purposes today, we're going to use this for academic use. But for right now, you literally can pick what you are personally interested in. And then I'll take you on another journey of how we're going to use it. So I have to pick two categories that I'm interested in. So I'm going to go with home decor. And I'm going to go with quotes. I love words. Former English teacher. I click next, and I will have 5 topics to go deeper. Looking at all this, and I do have a bar over to the side that I can scroll down and see even more, okay? So I am going to go with, dun, 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 as soon as it lets me scroll, I am going to click on, I like positive quotes, I like home decor, I am going to go with happy quotes, I am going to go easy recipes. That's out of the blue, but I definitely am interested. And then last but not least, let's go with famous quotes. I'm done. So even though they may not be my 100% most interested things, it is going to get me started. So this is just a starting block, and we have a much longer Pinterest race to run. Okay, I am going to allow Pinterest to show me notifications. And now I have a Pinterest board, and this welcome screen is now going to take me to a Pinterest that I pretty much create myself. So what I would like you to do right now is we are going to stop the video, and you are going to make sure your school associated Pinterest account is established. And at that moment, you will pause, and then we will continue in a little bit to make sure we all move in the same direction. So get started. Let me know if you have any questions, and make yourself that Pinterest account. Talk to you soon.